Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to improve your aim in PUBG Mobile. Adjust sensitivity settings. Find sensitivity setting that suits your aiming style. Practice regularly. Consistent practice sharpens your aiming skills. Master different weapons. Each weapon handles differently. Learn to aim with each type. Focus on headshots. Headshots deal more damage. Prioritize aiming for the head. Control recoil. Learn to counter recoil by adjusting your aim mid-fire. Use aim assist wisely. Utilize aim assist settings effectively for precision. Understand bullet drop. Adjust aim to compensate for bullet drop at longer distances. Learn movement prediction. Anticipate enemy movements to aim more accurately. Grip and stance. Maintain a stable grip and stance for better aim control. Use scopes effectively. Practice aiming through different scopes. Practice flick shots. Quickly snap your aim onto targets for fast-paced combat. Crosshair placement. Keep your crosshair at head level to reduce aiming adjustments. Stay calm under pressure. Control your breathing and stay calm during intense firefights. Watch pro players. Study their techniques and incorporate them into your gameplay. Use training modes. Many games offer specific training modes for aim improvement. Experiment with sensitivity. Fine-tune sensitivity settings until you find the optimal balance. Pre-aim common spots. Predict where enemies might appear and pre-aim those spots. Review your matches. Analyze replays to identify aiming weaknesses and areas for improvement. Customize controls. Adjust button layout for faster access to aiming controls. Team up for drills. Coordinate with friends for target practice or aim challenges. Adjust grip strength. Maintain a firm but relaxed grip on your device for consistent aim. And that's how to improve your aim in PUBG Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.